So this is my breakfast. Yogurt, paratha, shira the sweet, and mango pickle. Ito yung sweet nila. Okay, kain tayo ngayon ng Indian breakfast. So I'll have this paratha. Meron siyang potato sa loob. Then lalagyan mo siya ng butter para mas masarap. Then papartneran mo siya ng pickle. Go like this. See. Yan, spread mo yung ano. Dapat mainit to, di ba? Ayan. Masarap ang Indian food. So, meron silang different kinds of breakfast. Iba-iba. Pero ito yung gusto ko, yung marami siyang marami siyang butter. Mas maraming butter. Okay. Then you eat like this. This. Then isasawsaw mo siya sa mango pickle. Then ang sapa dun is my yogurt. Yan. Ito ay made of flour, no? Ito ay gawa sa wheat flour. Tapos sa loob niyan ay may potato. Good. I have one more. And mostly, nagkakamay sila. Kain. Then I miss the white bread. White bread. Masarap yung bread naman nila na. It's nice. But you don't like the white bread. Namiss ko yung tinapay sa Pinas. Kasi mostly tinapay sa Pinas white. Last. It's so good. And this is the mango pickle. I think I can have my coffee.